Hi, it's Fies Taro. Hello, collectives. Okay, so no zodiac sign needed. Okay, kapag collective reading. So, titingnan natin next action ni person mo and then gabay para sa'yo bago mag-end ang October. Okay, so kasi syempre ang gagawa pa lang natin is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. Okay, so yung mga hindi pa nagagawa, oo, yung mga zodiac sign na naghihintay. So, ito, pwede nyo panoodin muna. Okay, yung collectives. Okay? So, malay mo, energy mo yung makuha dito sa collective. Okay, so again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo mag-updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, opo, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga evil eye items for protection po from evil eye, okay, from negative energies, sa ating love bracelet for singles and sa mga may conflict sa kakonect sa mga karelasyon, o diba? And kay Granter, okay, Granter necklace. Okay, si Granter is para mapadali yung mga minamanifest ninyo. Okay? And yeah, syempre no downtime, lalo na kung deserve ninyo yung minamanifest. Yeah, oo. And ano ba? Yung ating bagong item for cleansing. Okay? So, yeah, just message me. Okay po, kung may mga katanungan pa. And syempre, kung interesado kayo magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magre-reach out. Okay? So, ganun lamang po. Okay, so collectives. So, no zodiac sign needed. Nabubulol na. Okay. So, next action ni person mo ngayong October and gabay. Okay? Tingnan natin who is the person on your mind, collective. Okay. The person on collective's mind. Okay. The Tower. Oh, may separation. Pwedeng Scorpio. Okay. May separation kayo nitong taong to. Hiwalay. Okay? Anong meron dyan sa Tower? Ay! The Ace of Cups. Some of you, iniwan ka nito para sa bagong karelasyon or bagong kakonect. Okay? May ganong energy. Okay? May ganong energy. Some of you, collectives, there's this unexpected, okay, na connection. Unexpected connection na pwedeng mangyari ngayong bago mag-October. Okay? There's new love coming in. There's a new person coming in. Okay? Sandali lang po sandali lang. Okay. So, yeah. There's this someone na gustong makipag-connect. Yung iba sa inyo, mayroon ditong parang sabay na ang nangyayari. Okay? Is merong nangyaring hiwalayan pero may dumating na bago, pero sumasabay ulit yung past mo. Okay, I don't know kung anong meron. Okay, so let's see ano bang meron pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay, itong person mo, collectives. Okay, we have here water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, let's see situation ninyo ngayon. Okay, the Four of Swords. And the Two of Cups. Pag-iisip to. Oo, pag-iisip kung ano ang pipiliin. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. This is sobrang nakakalito, collectives. Okay, some of you, you're dealing with two people. Okay, hindi ko yan isang tabi. Iba sa inyo, may new person at may past person. Pareho ninyong in-entertain. Yes! Yeah. Kung hindi, then hindi ito yung reading mo. Okay? Let's see. Aha. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng nakikipag-connect lang muna nga sa ngayon, no? Pero walang label. Okay, so yun nga, may chance ng sabihin natin casual na pakikipag-usap, whether dyan sa old or dyan sa new. Okay. Let's see. Emotion ng person na nakaka-connect mo sa ngayon. Anong emosyon? The Knight of Wands in reverse. And the Four of Pentacles. May confused. May confused dito. Feeling confused. So, siguro, sa mga ipinapakita mo sa kanya, okay? They are, sabihin nating, unsure whether maging transparent sa kanyang emosyon towards you. They are hiding it. They are holding back their true emotion towards you because they are confused. They are confused. Okay? Meron ditong naghihintay na sabihin nating magbigay na ng closure sa past, or sabihin nating hindi tanggapin yung offer ng new. Saan kayo doon? Meron sa inyo may kailangang ialis. Okay? Merong person na parang nako-confuse dito dahil hindi pa nila alam kung papaano sila magre-react, magbibigay ng emosyon sa'yo. Hindi nila paalam, hindi pa nila kaya maging vulnerable dahil yun nga, iba sa inyo is hindi pa rin totally sure kung sino yung pipiliin. Past or new, collective? Past or new? Yung past nyo at yung new, pareho yung nararamdaman. They are confused. Okay? They are. And wala rin silang ipapakitang emosyon towards you. Hindi sila para mag-take risk. Ayun ang nakukuha ko. Hindi sila para mag-take risk. Okay? So it's up to you to decide. May chance na may naghihintay sa sitwasyon. May naghihintay na mai-end. May inihintay na may tanggapin. Okay? Wow. Okay. Okay. Anong next action? Yung iba sa inyo, yung energy mo is too avoidant. Okay, if you're dealing with a person lang, okay, excuse me, isa lang ang kakonect mo, nakikita ko dito is you're guarded. Okay, you are guarded. Maybe you're healing. Okay, so that is why ganun yung energy na nakukuha nung person na gustong kumonect sa'yo. Okay, what is their next action? Bago mag-end ang October. Okay, next action itong taong to. The Devil. Lurking, obsessing. Wow, okay, what's that? What is that? The Devil. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Ang haba ng hair mo. Okay? They will get your attention. Para kang pag-aagawan. Sino to? Sino ang binabasahan ko sa inyo? Sino yung nakakaranas nito ngayon? Yung dalawa, may bumalik at merong bago. Next action, pareho silang parang magke-crave for you. Eh di, ikaw na. Ha? See, they want this. The Hierophant, they want commitments. Both. Okay? Both. Kung isa lang yung kakonect mo, ito yung gusto niya. Commitment. A relationship. Okay? They will get your attention kahit anong mangyari. Yes. Anong advice for you, collectives? Okay. Anong advice for the collectives? Sasabihin ng iba na walang kakonect, buti pa siya. Magbigay ka naman, o diba? Oo. Tingnan natin. Anong advice sa'yo, collectives? If you're healing, pagpatuloy mo. Ha? Pagpatuloy mo yung pag-heal. Okay. Yeah, the Hierophant in reversed. Okay. So, hindi mo kailangan muna. Okay. Hindi mo kailangan muna na makipag-connect. Lalo na kung alam mo sa sarili mong you're healing. You're in the process of healing. Okay? Hindi mo pwedeng i-back to zero yung sarili mo dahil makikipag-connect ka. Makaramdam ka ng happiness. No. You don't do that. Okay? So, advice, huwag niyong hayaang masira kung ano man yung mga nangyayari na sa inyo. Like progress, if ever. Meron. See? The 9 of Cups. Isa na to. Meron kang ganito. Ano po yan? This is peace of mind. This is genuine happiness. Some of you, nakatakas ka or nakaalis ka sa sitwasyon na hindi maganda before. From a past person. Now you're healing. Okay? This is the energy of healing. Focus on healing. Okay? Ganun talaga. Kapag tumataas ang frequency mo pagdating sa love, you're focusing on yourself, focusing on self-love, dun ka makakakuha ng love. Okay? Dun ka makaka-attract ng love. Wala tayong gagawin para maka-attract ng love, ha? Wala tayong para i-please kung sino man. Wala tayong gagawin ng aksyon kung kanino man para mahalin tayo. Okay? Makakakuha ka lang ng genuine love kapag ikaw is natuto na mahalin muna yung sarili. I think. Okay? Yun yung akin. Yeah. Pansinin nyo, every time you're moving on, may mga bumabalik, may mga kumukonek. Why? Because sabihin nating nag-a-ascend, no? Yung energy mo, yung frequency mo nag-a-ascend. Tumataas. Okay? Ganun talaga. Ganun talaga. Focus on healing, okay? You're not healed pa. Hindi pa 100%. Every day is a healing process. Okay? So, hindi naman sinasabi rito na wala kang konekan. Okay? Kapag handa ka na. And yeah, walang pwedeng madaliin. Hindi pwedeng sabihin ng mga to na, huy, madaliin mo naman. Huy, kailangan namin ng ng decision mo or what. Huy, pumili ka na. Walang pwede. 'Di ba? Walang pwede na magsabi sa'yo kung anong dapat mong gawin pagdating sa sarili mo. Lalo na kung maapektuhan ang happiness mo. Ha? Okay? So, sana na-gets nyo. Masaya na may mga gustong kumonek. Pero, unahin mo muna. No, yung i-fix kung ano man kailangan i-fix sa'yo. Ayaw natin na bumalik, no, sa mga hindi magandang nangyari. Kasi nandito pa, still. Isang baraha sa unahan, nandito pa sa taas. Okay? Meaning, hindi pa ganoon kalalim yung healing na nangyayari sa'yo. Okay? Isang daples mo, isang dapa mo, back to zero. Ayaw mo yun, di ba? Mahirap mag-heal, sa totoo lang, kung tama yung ginagawa mong process ng healing. We don't bypass healing. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. So, tingnan natin Doon tayo sa all signs for the collectives. Okay, so again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's see the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay, Aries, they're holding back, held back. Taurus, they're attracted pagdating sa'yo. Gemini, they're indecisive, they're confused. Cancer, they want a strong connection. Maybe they're feeling a strong connection with you. Some of them too, they want to make an offer. Okay. Leo, they like you, they want you. Yeah. Virgo, so sabihin natin, if they're connecting with you, nagpapakatotoo si Virgo sa'yo. Okay, they want a connection with you, actually. Libra, they want to start things. They want na magkaroon ng new beginning or new start, like that, with you. They want to start sabihin natin, communication, parang ganyan. As simple as communication. Gusto nilang may mangyaring ganon with you. Okay. Scorpio. Okay. I think there's this dropping. Okay. There's dropping here. Sag. Okay. So they're feeling contented. Okay. Whole. Maybe. Okay. Capricorn, having a healthy boundaries, okay, from you. This person needs you, maybe, or vice versa. Aquarius, they want your attention. They will get your attention. Kahit anong mangyari, they will get your attention. Okay. Pisces, they're expecting, they're waiting for you. Okay. Yeah, the lovers. Some of them, they're imagining na kayo ay magkarelasyon. Some of you, some of these Pisces. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, collectives. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.